Hi there, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please click a subscribe button. If not, thank you so much for coming back. I have a fun new tutorial for you today, and I've seen so many pictures of fabric pumpkin and honestly they look so cute and adorable. Of course, there is a variety of different fabric where you can choose off, like velvet, knitted one, or even you can use your old jumper or t-shirt, you just name it. And I think this is a perfect decor for autumn season, so let's get jumping into my video. I'm using my old jumper and all I need just a sleeve, but you can use the body too. Before you sewing, make sure you turn inside out. My ones, I believe it calls running stitch, very simple in and out, and you continue stitching all the way around. So when you finish, pull all together and secure properly by doing couple stitches. When you finish, turn again inside out. And do the same, continue all the way around, but don't secure. Using my old pillow stuffing, but you can use anything you like. For this twine, you will need a bigger needle. Go from the top straight down through the bottom and just keep doing all the way around the pumpkin. every time you do, you want to pull the twine nice and tight so that you can have some definition. I'm using this from my wine tree, and for the stem, thick branch. But if you don't have it, so you can make from the wire, or for your stem you can use cinnamon sticks, wine cork. So basically you can use whatever you like it. To finish my pumpkin, I decided to add some little small pine cones and dry moss. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.